Hi, G. Meet my friend, G. I will come now to you, ha? See? It's falling down. See? G, oh. I like the color yellow. See? Bumblebee. It's nice. It's a bee. Gigi, it's nice. See? Look her color. Very cute. I like it. See? Oh. But ay, go 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 go. Go now. Go there. Yeah. Go there, flower. Go. Yeah. She will live there already, Gigi. See? Very nice. Bye, my friend.